Greetings to everyone. I am Kritika V from Velakinaru, currently pursuing BCom degree in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am here to present a presentation is Algorithmic Trading and Artificial Intelligence. How to get started easily. Introduction. Services for financial institutions globally. Events for Python, quants and algorithmic traders. Training about Python for finance and algorithmic trading. Certification as cooperation with university. Platform for browser based data analysis. Books about Python and finance. Open source Python library for financial analysis. Man teaching artificial intelligence and the end of the human our financial invention. It's certainly possible that a real living artificial general intelligence would emerge on the financial market. Wisner Gross said quants use the same tools as the AI researchers, neural nets, genetic algorithms, automatic reading, hidden market models. You can eat every new AI tool gets turned in the curable of finance. The technological singularity. Today's algorithmic trading programs are relatively simple and make only limited use of AI. However, this is sure to change. Artificial intelligence is benefits in any domain where patterns have to be found in a large quantities of data and effective decisions have to be taken on the basics of those patterns, especially when the decisions have to be taken rapidly. FX traders are going to be hooked on analogs. In a few years, currently, traders will be hooked on analogs like their stock market collages. That's the view of a David, a principal at a consolidating firm Greenwich Associations LLC, who sees foreign exchange market following equities in the widespread adoption of computerized trading, which only 1 in 10 FX traders currently uses analogs to execute trade at the adoption rate is higher at the largest institutions, with 1 as 4 replying the systems according to the Greenwich study released Thursday. In comparison, in equities, more than half of the volume is done thoroughly on algorithmic. The firm surveyed 79 currencies market participants at a head funds, assets managed corporations, and other financial institutions in the US and Europe. Given the myriad benefits that analogs offer, FX traders currently not using analogs and not considering them may soon have to determine whether they are putting themselves at the disadvantage with all of the data available, demonstrating the benefits. Cost saving, the ability to execute the trade with analog will soon become a need as opposed to the nice to have. Almost 60% of responding said to analogs had materially cut trading cost according to the survey. The push to save money combined with stricter regulations will boost the Apple to trade software Greenwich consideration. AL first finance. What happens when our computer gets smarter than we are? Vast increase in biological and machine intelligence will create what being called the singularity, a threshold of the time at which ALs that are the least as smart as humans and argument humans intelligent radically remove civilization, emulation, powerful hardware, human lives, humans algorithms. The quants run Wall Street now. Financial singularity is the point at which all investment decisions are made by intelligent machines rather than human agents, when all human flexibility is eliminated from market. Efficient market which have only executed so far its theory would become a reality. Fundamental Fundamental physics is fluctuating physics. One such is Sabine Hossenfelder to the Frankfurt Institutions for the Advanced Studies in German. She assures that the Apple II gets super summary and the liked research on the ability to explain numerological coincidence that do not need to explained. Perhaps to take one example, the universe simple started our with more matter than antimatter in its rather, rather than being a consequence of its subsequent evaluation. As he points out, no theory required this possibility. It is just that it is not very decent. Similarly, she says it's not like anybody actually needs super summary to explain anything. It's an idea widely pursued for its apple. Well, that's nice, but it's not science. Market and agents, algorithms, data driven AI first, finance. Next, finance market, finance history, and AL in finance. Automation, trading code, connecting code, backtesting code, strategy code, financial data, and infrastructure. Skynet begins to learn at a geometric rate. It becomes self-aware at 2:15 a.m. Eastern Time, August 29th. The machine tick data streams, trade event streams, single generator, single listener, portfolio monitoring, and risk management. Exponential forces at work. First, technological improvement. Second, capital accumulation. Third, talent accumulation. Nick Bostrom super intelligent. Go playing programs have been improving at a rate of about one day in recent years. If this rate of improvement continues, they might beat the human world champion in about a decade. The story of AlphaGo so far. During the games, AlphaGo played a handful of highly inventive winning moves, several of which, including move 37 in game 2, were so surprising they overturned hundreds of years of received wisdom. Thank you all.